Okay, guys, this is Rec Room. Epic gamer game. The epic gamer game, bro. Look, only epic gamers can learn this. Boop, blap, boop, blap, boop, blap. Yes! Hey, Mom, where's the new cat they bought us? Hello, demon. Where I'm going, it's not here. I'm going into this. Oh my God, let's bring me somewhere. Do you think we can find the cat that our mom bought? Hey, Mom, I think I found the cat. Hello, kitty. Why are you so chunky? I'm gonna do an epic gamer clutch, guys. Epic gamer clutch. Look at this. That's an epic gamer clutch, guys. That's an epic gamer clutch. That's what I call an epic gamer clutch. Yes. Wait, what? What do I actually look like? I'm like holding one hand and I'm literally Spider-Man. That was an epic gamer clutch. Hey, Mom. Why is the cat looking at me? Let's have a staring contest. Boom, you win. Okay, I'm running. I'm running. Remember that hole we found? Remember that hole? Yeah, I'm going inside of it. I'm not risking any chances. Hello. Kitty. I'm Joe. What the heck? Oh, by the way, guys, subscribe to Bendy. Because he's a cool guy. And he made my intro, like the one they saw at the beginning of the video. Yeah, go subscribe to him. Channel link in description. Yo, this is sus. I'm climbing on nothing, bruh. That was sus. Oh, that was an accident. Nope, epic gamer glitch. Epic gamer glitch. Right now. Bye. Look at him. Okay, this video would not be cool if I don't do this. So I guess I'm gonna. Haha. I'm gonna die. Today is the day where I die. Okay. No. He's right behind me, isn't he? He was right behind me. Okay, we'll be right back, music. Okay, haha, you can't catch me now. Wait a second. Like when you climb it, it's climbing on the air. No, that's so uncomfortable. No, help me. Yo, that was clutch. I'm literally Spider-Man. Like, guys, call me Spider-Man. Call me Spider-Man 2.0. Call me. Look at that. Say they won't call me Spider-Man. Now he's probably waiting for me all the way there, so I'm gonna run. Bye. Not today, bro. Not today. No, thank you. Not today. No, thank you. Okay, I see him right there. So I'm gonna run all the way here. No way. No. Oh my God. I'm out here living. I mean, like, it's very weird whenever you get to see what editors do in their normal daily life in Rec Room, and apparently it's being chased around by a fat cat, which is not comfortable. In case you were wondering, I do not think that is comfortable. Yo. Yo, that's sus. That's sus. Wait, that is actually so sus. Now, the cat is right there. Should I risk it? I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Yo, 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 yo. Can I actually do this? Can I actually do this? Can I actually do this? No way. No way. No way. No way that I'm winning this. No way. No, 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 no. Do it quickly. Do it quickly. Go up. Go up. Go. Oh my god. Oh my god. The drawer knob on my real life thing just came off. Oh my god. I don't need to worry about big chugs. Big chugs is just a fat chugs. What? Done. 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 Oh, he's probably right behind me. He's probably right behind me. He's right behind me. He's right behind me, isn't he? He's right behind me, isn't he? He's right there right now. And I am going up. Yo, this strategy is so good. This strategy is so good. This although if I slide there just one bit, I can die. Wait, I'll get copyrighted now. I guess I should die. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, that was not a good idea, that was not a good idea. Now I'll die, now I'll die, now I'll die. Oh my god. I'm literally Spider-Man in this game. Anyways, yeah, that would be it for this video. Please like and subscribe, ring notification bell, and yeah, just goodbye.